Hello everyone, welcome to Lockdown Crafts with Pile. Today we are going to make a mobile stand. This is a craft with only paper, and if you don't have glue, sellotape, and if you don't have scissor also, you can we have this is especially for you because we are today going to use only a piece of paper. So let's start. So first for that we will need a square piece of paper. So I have took here 30 by 30 size paper because I have tried from 15 by 15 but it was very small. So I recommend you to take more than 15, or if you want you can take 15 also, no worries, but it will be a little small. So I have took a 30 by 30 size. It is very big. Now what I am gonna do is fold this corner, these two corners to these two corners, these two to these two, and align them. This is a very important part for our craft. And press it really well, and see, now the corners should join here. Don't be in a hurry. So it will take a little bit time. And press it really well. You can also use ruler. Now open it. Now you will get a middle line. Now fold these two corners till the middle line and press it really well. Flip it and do the same by folding these two corners till the middle line and press it well. Now open it. You can see we have got a double door like this. Now flip it like this. Now fold these two corners till the middle line. Means these two corners to these two corners. Really well from all the sides. And open it. Now you can see we have got a middle line. Now again fold it and press it. Now this is from here starts the tricky part, so see it clearly. Okay, so I have the open part. We are going to keep it at the right side. If you feel you can keep up side, left side, down, no worries. Now but if you have to keep if you keep any side it's okay, but see what to do or you will tear the paper, so see it well. Now the open side you can see, fold this corner, the open side one, to the closed one, that the line one. If you want with your thumb you can thoroughly like this press it, so you can see the line. Fold this corner till the line and press it well with your fingers. This you have to press it really well. Now open it and do and you can see like this flap will be there. So again keep it like this and do the same by folding this corner till the line. And you can take a newspaper also if you don't have a colored paper. In my all the crafts you can use, instead of color paper, newspaper also if you don't have colored paper available. And press it well. If you press it, no, your stand will be stable. If you don't press it, it will not be stable and it will wiggle and the mobile will fall. So you have to see that your when you are pressing, it should press well. Now open it. Now here the flap will be not like this, so you have to not do anything, but when we fold like this the flap got like this. Now flip it and do the same. Fold this corner to this corner and the open side, not the fold side. And it is not necessary that this point should join to this point. No worries. My also is not joining. My is also not perfect. No worries. So like this, it have to, this corner should join to this corner only. That is important. And press it well with your fingers. You can also use ruler. Now open it and do the same. Now keep it like this corner to this line, and press it well. Now open it like this. The open one will be like this. Now open it like this. Now from here is the very tricky part. So see it now. Now we have opened it like this. Now you can see these two ends. Join them like this. Like this is the first one. If you are not able to do like that, I will show you this one trick again. Join these two like this. Or if you are not able to do, this is the first trick. The second trick, keep it like this. Okay, and with your finger, this one you can see middle, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it in, and then join these two. This is the second trick. So keep it like this. Now a triangle will form, a small triangle like this. Press it and this is the trickiest part. And you can see this one, we have done this one. Press it, keep it like this, pinched only, don't open it, pinched only. And then this one you can see from the back, I will show you, like this. Push it out, means out, like this, like this. Push it, push it, push it, and make, pinch this. I will show you. Pinch it, and this one also put it down. Pinch, pinch, and press it. Now it will be a little triangle and a rectangle. So press it well with your hands. Now this is the again tricky part, because we are going to make a design at the ahead of the stand. So we have to make a square. So now, as someone doesn't have ruler, so I'm using my hands only to do. So this corner you can see, keep the rectangle away. The up one you have to keep to facing to ourselves, to yourself. So this corner to this corner, see, you can see the triangle one, this corner to the line. So push it, push it, push it, and join it to this line and press it really well. This you have to put more pressure. So press it for 5 minutes. Or what you can do, a easy trick, that is, keep your like this, and then put a heavy thing for 5 to 10 minutes. You can do like that also, but I am pressing it with my fingers really well. You have to press it. Now open it and open the full. So how to full, or it will, the paper will again be into a square. So the rectangle, open, and this also open. Okay, so it will be again like our we have again done like this one. It will take a shape like that only. Now flip it like this. Now you can see one part is plain, like this line, like this line, and like this line. But this part we have done, I told you to press it really well. Now you can see a in a big square, a small square has come. This is the indication of the design. We are going to make this in a design. So now you can't see the lines clearly. It are not clear. If you are able to see, it's nice only, but again we have to clean it. Now what we are going to do, put your finger and pinch the line. Only pinch and make it clean. Okay, so pinch, clean. You can see now it is seeing more nicely. Pinch. This is the first trick. Second trick, you can put this like this, and then pinch it. So you will get the perfect line. So pinch and pinch it. Now you can see that we have got a square. Now flip it. Now this is the tricky part. Now what we are going to do, we are going to open one flap. So I'm opening the left flap. We have to open the left flap and keep it straight. Now what we are going to do is, you can see this corner you have to join to this line. I will tell you again because this is the trickiest part. This one should join to this one, and you can see this one you have to push it in. It will not push again and again. It will come out, I know, but push it in and join this corner like this corner. Now you can see we are getting a design. So don't worry, first it will not be correct. Then we are gonna again increase our folds, and you can see this one flap we have opened. We are gonna put it again to close it. So keep this pinched it like this only, and with your another finger put it on that. So this you are gonna tuck it here, and then press it well, and this one like this from the down also, and your design one is done. Now you can see it is not looking like a perfect design. It is because of you have not done the, if you are not able to get this design, you can again press it, and if your it is looking like this, you can again press the folds so that it will look neat. First my also it was looking like weird, but then I pressed it and then it came like this triangle. Now what we are gonna do, this design is done. Now where to keep our phone? So this part we are gonna keep our phone. So what we are gonna do is like this. We did fold the corners or like this. I will tell you again. These two corners we are gonna push it and join. Or what you can do, keep it like this. This middle push and join these two. So I refer this one. So this one we have done. Now what we are going to do, slightly open it, not full, or this will get opened because we have not used any glue, sellotape or scissor. So slightly open so that this one can go in. Slightly open, fold this corner inside. So this again should join to this line. Fold it inside, and this flap we have opened now, this will go inside again. So again fold it so that it will not peep out again and again. Okay, and then flip it and your stand is ready. This is a very big stand. You can see, you can keep your mobile standing or sleeping. Your phone stand is ready. I'm showing you with a phone. So not the designed one, the back one like a pyramid. You are going to keep your phone, you can keep standing, sleeping, and it will not fall down. You can see, and your phone stand is ready. If you liked my today's video, please subscribe, share, like and comment. And one more thing, the secret part, you can keep this in your pocket also, and you can make in just 1 minute. Now what if you understand the technique? Now what we are going to do to keep in your pocket, you can see this stand, these two corners, join them and this you can see, not the standing, the sleeping light. Put your finger and push, 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 and join these two corners like this. So you will get a diamond shape, and you can keep it in your pocket. And if you want more small, you can again fold it like this, how you want. Open it, and when you want your stand, you can see we have got a diamond shape. Press it, and these two corners open. You can see, open it, open it, open it, open it, and press this point. You can see this point, and your stand will be ready like this. You can keep, and when you want, you can open and press this one, so it will be a space to keep your phone like this while pressing, and your phone stand is ready.